Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into best Charles Schwab Mutual Fund for long-time growth in 2026, and here's the breakdown. If you're investing for long time like investment or future goal, Charles Schwab offers several mutual funds that help your money grow steadily over time. A great start pick is the Schwab Total Stock Market Index Fund. It's on a wide mix of US companies, so you get broad exposure to the whole market without picking individual stock. Another solid choice for long-time growth is the Schwab International Index Fund, which adds overseas companies to your portfolio, spreading risk and growth across global market. For investors who want both stock and bond in one fund, the Schwab Balanced Fund makes access to help smooth out market up and down while still growing over time. These funds are known for low cost and steady performance, making them ideal for buy and hold planning. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more simple investing tips, and comment which Schwab fund you would like to add first. And that's it.